Good morning everyone. Today is Friday and it's the end of our half-term happiness week. Let me just move the camera a little bit. I wanted to end with this book, What a Naughty Bird, because it makes me giggle, makes me feel really happy. So this is What a Naughty Bird. I wonder what this bird will get up to. I'm sorry, but when you're a bird, there's something you've just got to do. Fly to a farm, spot a big bull, and splat him with some poo. What a naughty bird! Wonder what he'll do next. Once I was over in Africa and I thought it might be a laugh to do a poo on an elephant. And I did, although it gave me a bath. What a naughty bird. Another time up in the mountains, I made best friends with a rabbit. When I did a big poo right on the nose of a wolf who was trying to grab it. What a naughty bird! I can splash in the middle of a puddle. I can hit the last leaf on a tree. I even splattered a great white shark when he stuck his head out of the sea. What do we say? What a naughty bird. And pooing on people is best. Once, from high up on a wall, I got 2 policemen, a builder, a teacher, 3 children, and their ball. What a naughty bird. But I shouldn't have pooed on a bear. Uh-oh. The bear didn't like it, you see. And the problem is that I forgot. A bear can climb a tree. Uh-oh. What do you think will happen next? Look at that. The bear is pooing on the bird. What a naughty bear. And that is the end of our happy story, What a Naughty Bird. Let me move it here. I love this story because it's so funny and it's about a bird who loves pooing so much, but he poos on a bear and uh-oh, the bear doesn't like it. What does the bear do? The bear poos on the bird. What a naughty bird and what a naughty bear. Hope you've had a lovely half term, and next week we're back into more of a routine as the schools go back, which is nice. Have a lovely sunny weekend.